came today? So these switches are wired in here. See, these don't work. There we go. Where's the fuse? Right here. Here it is. 30 amp fuse. Hopefully that will hold. Yes, it works. Windshield wipers work. Works. This is the horn. Haven't connected it yet. 12.5. Let's start it up. This switch here controls the reverse. We have a reverse camera. So that's looking out the back. Right, we're all the way up to the roof. So when I order something from Amazon and I'm waiting for one part to come in, immediately when I get it, I want to go finish that project. So I grab it and I go put it in, no matter where the car is. And so this fuse, no good. This was only 15 amps. Now I got a 30 amp in there. So hopefully that will hold. Now I gotta get back down. Here's the shop, packed with stuff. Okay. There, nice and steady. And we're gonna have to get down from here without falling down. Okay. I'm down. Yeah. And here's what you were seeing. That's where I was, and that's where the car was running.